How to unlink your Steam account from Rockstar Social Club. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can unlink your Steam account from your RSC account. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you might have linked your Steam account before, but now you're not being able to find the option to unlink it. And in this guide video, I will simply show you how you can do that. What you have to do is simply start by launching your browser, and then you have to go to your Rockstar Social Games website. So go ahead and simply type in socialclub.rockstargames.com. I'll also make sure to leave this exact link down in the description box. Go ahead and then simply check that out. Once you go to this URL, first of all, you have to simply sign into your Rockstar Games account. So let me tap on the sign in button and enter your login credentials such as your email address and your password, and then tap on the sign in button which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you sign into your Rockstar Games account, you will be able to see that this is how the interface of the website is going to look like. Now what you have to do is, in order to unlink Steam account or any other accounts which you might have linked to your Rockstar Social Club, you have to simply tap on your profile icon which you see at the very top right hand corner of the screen. Once you tap on your profile icon, you'll be able to see a list of all these options, and right under the fifth option you'll find this settings button which says settings. So all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this label which says settings. As you go to settings, by default you're going to be under the profile tab, as you can see right over here, but you can see this down arrow icon on the right hand side. We have to tap on this to enable the drop down menu. So let me go ahead and tap on it to enable the drop down menu, and you'll find the section which says linked accounts. And in order to unlink our Steam account, we have to simply first of all go to linked accounts. Right over here, you will be able to see a list of all of the accounts which you have linked, such as your PlayStation Network account and all of the accounts which you can link as well. And if you want to unlink your Steam account, let's say this one for example, this is a PSN account, but you'll simply be able to see your Steam account if you have linked it previously. You will also be able to see the unlink button right next to it in this grayed out color. So all you have to do is tap on the unlink button. As soon as you tap on the unlink button, it will ask you for a confirmation. So what you have to do is tap on this red button which says unlink. Once you've done that, you would have successfully unlinked your account, be it Steam account, be it a PSN account, be it an Xbox account, or any other accounts which you might have linked before. This was the way on how you can unlink your Steam account from Rockstar Social Club. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.